Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how to add your camera, change your camera, anything that has to do with your camera. So make sure you open up a new meeting. When you get that, then in the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see a little button that says Start Video. Right now, I have my video off. I know it's off because of the red diagonal line that is in front of the video. If I say Start Video, I click that. Oh, it's doing the wrong thing. So that means I'm not actually connected up to my video. So I'll show you how to do that. Click this little arrow, and now it asks me to select a camera. I can click my USB video device or my Logitech Capture, and I'm going to click the USB video device. Now if I do that, you see me! Yay! So I'm going to stop the video because we don't need to see that. I can also choose a virtual background if I'd like. Okay, now this is downloaded, I automatically get their pre-generated backgrounds, so I can change that up if I want. Sometimes your camera might not allow you to do that because of the settings or just the capability of your computer, and that's okay. If you're not allowed to do that, don't worry about it. It's just an extra setting. So if I click that small arrow again, choose virtual background allows me to change the background, and choose video filter allows me to add filters to the camera so that I can change the lighting. This is sometimes helpful if you want to have like a clean lighting or something like that. And obviously you can be crazy and do crazy stuff, but I feel like this is, a bit more for children. So, last thing in this little arrow is that you can click the video settings, and that'll again bring you back to this dialog box, which is just the extra settings. This is where you can again change your camera. You can change what the ratio is. If you enable adjust for low lighting, that might be helpful. If you're going to be in your house at night, it's dark, that type of thing. And then there's some more settings in terms of meetings. Hide non-video participants, spotlight my video when I speak. That might be something you want to click because then Zoom will automatically put your video up when you are speaking. That is how you add or change your camera, add or change different backgrounds, and you also have access to the entire video settings from this little arrow.